let's talk about something that feels a little bit like magic. But, it's actually technology. We're going to pull back the curtain on the invisible force that's shaping so much of your students' digital world: predictive AI. I mean, have you ever wondered about this? Your student finishes watching one video, and bam, the next recommendation is just perfect. It's not a lucky guess. There's something really powerful going on behind the scenes.
And the answer is a very specific type of AI that has become a massive part of our students' everyday lives, often without them even realizing it. It's called predictive AI. And trust me, once you know what to look for, you are going to start seeing it absolutely everywhere.
Okay, so you're seeing it everywhere, but what in the world is it exactly? Let's break it down. Simple and clear.
At its heart, the idea is actually pretty straightforward. It's a technology that's built to look at everything someone has done in the past, every click, every like, every single video they've watched, and use all that info to make a really good guess about what they'll do or what they'll like in the future. It's basically a world-class pattern spotting machine.
And this is where you can see the huge difference in scale. A friend's recommendation is personal, it's based on what they know about you. An AI's recommendation, well, that's based on an almost unimaginable amount of data. It isn't just looking at what you like, it's looking at what millions of other people just like you also happen to like.
I love this analogy. Imagine a librarian who doesn't just remember the books you checked out, but also remembers the ones you picked up and put back, knows how long you stood in the fantasy section, and then compares all of that with the habits of every single person who has ever walked into that library. That's the power of predictive AI.
All right, let's make this super real. Where are our students bumping into this technology? Let's just walk through a totally normal day for one of them.
It starts the moment they open an app, that For You page on TikTok or the YouTube homepage. That is not random. It's a carefully crafted feed built by an AI whose only job is to figure out what will keep that student watching. Every single tap, every swipe past the video, every time they rewatch something, it's all a little clue, teaching the AI how to make better and better predictions for next time.
Then, later in the day, maybe they're online looking up stuff for a school project. That's when predictive AI pops up as ads. It's the reason an ad for a certain video game seems to follow them all over the internet. The AI saw they were interested and is now predicting, hey, maybe they'll buy this. And in the evening, yep, it's right inside their video games. When they jump into an online match, it's a predictive AI that's matching them with other players who have a similar skill level. Why? To keep the game fun and fair. It's also the thing that powers the in-game store, suggesting a cool new outfit for their character because lots of other players like them bought it too.
So, from their video feed to the ads they see to the games they play, all of these predictions are really trying to do one thing: personalize their online world. But how does that actually work? Well, it's all part of this really powerful cycle.
And this is the core loop. It's pretty simple, really. The more data the system gets from a student's actions, the smarter it gets at predicting what they'll like. And the better those predictions get, the more personalized and, frankly, more addictive their online experience becomes. It's a cycle that just keeps feeding itself to hold their attention.
So, here's the bottom line for us as educators. What's the trade-off? On the one hand, this whole system creates a really fun, engaging online world for our students. But it only works because it's collecting huge amounts of data on them. And the biggest risk here, especially for their education, is what we call the filter bubble. If the AI only ever shows a student things it already knows they like, they might never discover a new interest or hear a different point of view. They end up in an echo chamber, and that can really limit the kind of curiosity we're trying to build in our classrooms.
Understanding the risk is the first step, but what can we actually do about it? Well, this is where we come in. We can turn all of this into a fantastic learning opportunity with a really simple but powerful activity.
I absolutely love this idea. Have your students become prediction detectives. It's easy. Step 1, just have them name their favorite app. Step 2, you brainstorm together. What clues are you leaving for the app? Things like likes, shares, even just how long they watch a video. This helps them see they're actively training the AI. And then the most important part, step 3, discuss it. Is it a good thing? And what cool new things might they be missing out on because of it?
And really, that's what this is all about. This tech isn't going anywhere. Our job isn't to tell students to avoid it. Our job is to give them the tools to think critically about how it works and how it's influencing them.
So I'll just leave you with this thought. Now that you can spot this invisible AI shaping your students' world, what are the critical questions you are going to teach them to start asking?